Hey guys, I am Kaiva Patel from Techie Contents. Welcome you in this episode. Hey guys, once again welcome to this episode of Techie Contents, and today we will see how you can add a joystick to your Pokemon Go game. So this stick will work on Android 6.0, on Android 6.0.1 and also an Android 7. So this stick will not work if you are less than Android 6.0. So first of all, as usual, we will check the root of the phone. Let me show you that I haven't rooted my phone. As you can see, I didn't have rooted in my phone. So now you have to just download an app from the Play Store. It's only consists of 4 MB. So I have given the link in the description. So you have to just open that app. It's named Fly GPS, and it's in some Chinese language, but don't worry, it wouldn't harm your phone. So you just go whichever location you want to go. For example, I added in the favorite at the Gateway of India. It's very famous place in India, so there is tons and tons of Pokemons there. So first of all, you have to click on that. Okay, so at the Gateway of India, my actual location is here in Gujarat, but I want to jump here at the Gateway of India. Let me zoom in. Okay, so this is basically a Gateway of India, and if I want to jump there, you have to just click on wherever you want to. For example, I want to go here, so you have to just go on this icon. Please select the menu. You have to just click on it, and here you have to choose GPS service run. But before moving on, I want to say that your location should be on high accuracy. So just click on GPS service run, and now just select joystick location mode Pokemon. So as you can see, there is some Chinese service was started. Okay, so as you can see, there is a joystick added also, and there is a widget of their app. So you have to start the Pokemon Go. Let me take this down. Okay. And in this app, no error will come. It's my guarantee if you are using Android 6.0 or up. As you can see, we are currently at Gateway of India, and you can also see that our character is loaded, and there is tons of Pokemons here. So let me show you the use of that joystick. I don't know whether you can see, or as you can see, when we are moving our joystick, the character is also moving. Okay, so let me use this Pokestop. My phone is little bit laggy here because my phone consists of 1 GB of RAM, and at 1 GB if your phone is 2 GB of having 2 GB of RAM, it will very good to use this app and Pokemon Go together. Let me catch a Pokemon. I'm not using AR, so that's the best option to do it. So as you can see, we can catch Pokemon also, and we can also, by this way you can also hatch your eggs, and you can also collect Pokestop fastly. As you can see, I'm just moving forward. Okay, So you can also change the speed in the setting menu of this app, whether you want 10 meter per second speed. You can also change the speed setting and all about in that app. Hope you like our video, and if you like our video, just hit like button and subscribe our channel for more this type of video and technical videos. So stay tuned and have a nice day.